So AWS EC2 Security Group can be seen by selecting the EC2 and coming to the security tab here. So you can see this is the security group 1030B, last 5 digits, and then here is the inbound rule, which is only SSH is allowed from anywhere, and this is the outbound rule where all traffic for all protocol allowed to everywhere. Okay, now you can also see the security group coming to the left hand side navigation menu, and from there is a network security section, and click on the security groups, and here you can select the security group. Let me select it, and here is the details, like you have the details of the security group, you have the inbound rule, outbound rule, and from here you can also edit the inbound rule. Now if I go to the instance and if I try to connect to it, and if I try to connect it using EC2 Instance Connect, which will open an in-browser session, and via SSH it will connect to the EC2. Okay, now let me close this and go back to the security groups, and it is selected, and let me edit the inbound rule. Right now you see that SSH is allowed over port 22, and this is from everywhere. Okay, now what I would be doing, I would delete this rule and I will save the rules. Okay, it is done. Now I'll go back to the instance and I will try to connect to it again, and I clicked on connect, and you see we are getting error. Now let me close this. Now again go back, let me go back to the security groups and let me select that security groups. You can give it a name also. Okay, so that you can recognize it. Click on, and let me edit the inbound rule, and let me add that rule back, so I can select the rules from over here, and you can select the IP range you want. You can select your own IP, IPv6 or IPv4. For the sake of this demo, let me do it IPv4, but remember there is a warning has been given here that if you allow it, it's allowed to all, so be careful. Click on save, and then let me go back to the instance, and here I selected the instance. I click on connect, and if I go down and click on connect, you see I could be able to connect to it.